I'm a nature lover. I like both plants and animals. I want to share this experience with people same as me. Especially from last year, we have COVID pandemic. Everybody stayed at home, nothing to do. A lot of people start to keep some plants at home. Plants can bring people a happier life. This is Franco of My Home Nature. I sell plants from Hong Kong to the world. We are proud to be a part of UPS Carbon Neutral Shipment Program, which allow us to offset greenhouse gas emission from our shipment. Because we sell plants, we love nature, we want to contribute to the nature. I think most of our customers want to take part in this contribution too. It's something we do from our heart.